Whoa, yes, I shit in a bush. Yeah, me shit in a bush. Yes, I live a bush. I'm gonna go a bush. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's a girl Lati, and I'm here with another video. As you all see the title, I am doing a never have I ever challenge. So I get some questions from my WhatsApp friends. So them question here. Stay tuned, guys, because I tell you, say they hot. So I tell you no. So guys, as I always say, I want you guys to subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and join my family, join the Lati family, you know, the Lati family, join the Lati family. So I'm giving you 5 minutes to subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. That's what I should say, 5 seconds. So yeah, so I'm supposed to do that already. So subscribe, and let's get into the video. So guys, the first question is, have you ever wanted sex and don't want asked for it? Yes, I have. Yes, because sometimes you know, see a player. I did that a lot of times. I'm making home. And then, you know, honest, I'm going to like something about 6, but yes, I don't know, I don't want it, but I like to play art sometime, you know. Most of men do that. Yeah, most of men do that. The man didn't do it, so. And the only man, them alone, you know. Number 2, have you ever borrowed clothes from your friend? Wouldn't basically say I borrow clothes. Remember one time I did go for a motorcade, me and my friend them and my sister, and my clothes get messed up. And I did my friend yard because I fear motorcade. So she give me one shot. So basically I'm gonna say borrow it. You understand? Just stuff happen at the moment. I never did my yard, so I did have to get something. So basically say borrow clothes. Next one is, have you ever fart in front of your man / boyfriend parents? For the man part, yes, poop in front of my boyfriend, yes, but in front of my parents, no, I never really occurred in that. No, I never really do that in that period of time, because no. Me fart in front of my boyfriend a lot of time. I'll shit in front of him too. Shit. Yeah, my beard and me a shit. Yes. Have you ever had to cut one shit in a bush? Yes, I did that in bush. Shit in a bush already. Couple times. I clean with bush. Whoa, yes, I shit in a bush. Yeah, me shit in a bush. Yes, I live a bush. I'm gonna go a bush or I'm gonna go a river and wash. She told me go to run. Come here, come shit at the toilet. No, shit in a bush. Have you ever peeked at someone doing it? Nah. I never do that. That woman, I never really see somebody do it yet, you know. Otherwise, from watch porn and then something there, I never really like somebody do it in a real life. No, I never see that. Otherwise, I'm go to a club and I see the man there do it. One man pan stage. I never like it. I didn't like it. I never like it one bit, so I kind of just leave from that. But otherwise, I never peep on nobody I do it yet, so. Next one. Have you ever in a relationship with none of your friends, boyfriends? Never, 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 never. That the thing there is not me. I will never do such thing. So if me and uno woman a friend and I think say yes and I go cut me out of that, I'm not in that thing. Definitely not. Even if una she left and people say yeah when I go look me, not gonna happen. Period. It's not gonna happen. I'm not that type of friend. Have you ever shoplifted? No. Period. No, I have never shoplifted. I don't really see reason to do it, and the thing, I'm afraid. I'm afraid I'm gonna do something bad like steal and all thief or anything, and people catch me. Me no thief. Me no thief. I'm afraid. I'm easy for shame. I want story time to tell you now. Or something. I want story time. I want bang a story time. I'm just think about this. But I never thief yet, people. Never thief. I never thief. I should say never. My first time, so it kinda. Have you ever hitched a ride from a person you don't know? Yeah. Yeah. I have. But in the form of I saw the person a couple times passing by. Then the some security personnel, them back at Mayfield Falls, and then something there, then they security person, a man in time, and so me always them. I'm late to go to work, and the person dropped me at toll gate. So yes, I have. It's a regular habit because I'm afraid people take me away. But yeah, I have. Have you ever fainted? No, I have never fainted, but I feel dizzy now. I feel like I faint, yes, but literally, I have never fainted. No, I have never fainted. Have you ever fight a girl over a man? But almost happened. 2 times it almost happened 2 times, but me never literally fight the girl. I don't want to beat you, girl. I don't want to beat you. And it's still not late. I don't want to beat you, girl. I don't want to beat you, But that's true. The day I'm pregnant. I find out I'm pregnant. Before that, about a week before that, that's how I'm ready beat you today. Don't make a mistake there again. Members that. So guys, I won't make this video too long. So I think this is the end of my Never Have I Ever. If you enjoy my Never Have I Ever, you can comment down below if you want me to do another one. Yes, if you want me to do our next Never Have I Ever, you can comment down below. Or if you want me to do a Q&A, you can comment down below. I'm gonna have one story time to tell you now. Since I do the video, I come up with it, I remember about it. I go on the story time, the story, the man. And guys, please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. subscribe to my channel. I post the video every other day once I can, because I'm about 3 months old. I have a 3 months old, and it's kind of hard for me to do videos. Most time I have video, I have to stop, appear, look outside, and all these things. Yes. So, but I try my very utmost best to post the video every other day. If I can do it every day, I will, but most time I try to put it every day. But if I can't do it every day, I try to do it every other day. Once I come up with video ideas, because video ideas kind of hard to come up with, period. So guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video. Peace out. Bye guys.